Hello friends, welcome to Mystical Mindscape. In the labyrinth of existence, a subtle whisper echoes. Those who embark on the quest to unravel the enigma of God unearth an unparalleled power. This power is not just a cosmic force. It is an authority that grants individuals a profound ability to shape their reality in ways that are both dynamic and purposeful. To comprehend this power is to delve into the intricate realms of quantum physics, where the interconnectedness of consciousness and the material world unfolds. In the pursuit of understanding the fundamental aspects of our universe, quantum physics emerges as the torchbearer. It beckons us to acknowledge the profound impact of the mind on reality, prompting us to explore the intricate dance between consciousness and the physical world. The observer effect, a phenomenon in quantum mechanics, suggests that the mere act of observation can alter the properties of a quantum system, revealing a profound connection between consciousness and the physical fabric of reality. This revelation leads us to the realization that the mind, particularly the imaginative faculty, plays an integral role in shaping our experiences and the world we perceive. Imagination emerges as a potent force, challenging traditional scientific paradigms that view the universe as a disconnected assembly of particles. Instead, it beckons us to recognize that our thoughts and observations are intricately woven into the very fabric of the universe. Neville Goddard, in his enlightening 1969 lecture on imagination, boldly asserts, "The secret of imagining is the secret of God. Anyone who finds it finds supreme power, supreme wisdom, supreme delight." Goddard's teachings implore us to reconsider conventional notions of an external God and to acknowledge that we, in our imaginative essence, are intimately connected to the divine. According to him, there is no external God. We imagine ourselves into this world, and we will imagine ourselves out of it. Goddard, a trailblazer in merging spirituality with science, asserts that man is all imagination, and God exists within us, just as we exist within him. The eternal body of man is identified as the imagination, suggesting that the very essence of God resides within this imaginative faculty. The profound assertion echoes the sentiments of Blake, who proclaimed that God is spirit and dwells within us. This revelation challenges ingrained beliefs, particularly the idea of an external deity. It propels individuals to accept the notion that their imagination is the spirit of God within them. While this revelation might initially shock those entrenched in the belief of an external God, Scripture encourages a shift in perspective. Do you not know that you are the temple of God, and the Spirit of God dwells in you? If God is Spirit and dwells within us, then the separation between the divine and the human dissolves. Goddard's scientific process of manifestation, often referred to as the secret of God, is deeply rooted in creativity and imagination. It propounds the idea that imagination goes beyond the mere generation of ideas. It involves a meticulous process of evaluating and refining these ideas for deliberate creation. Instead of living in a passive reflection of reality, Goddard's teachings underscore the active role of imagination in shaping not only mental experiences, but also the very fabric of reality itself. Central to Goddard's teachings is the recognition of the subconscious mind's pivotal role. The subconscious, a repository of experiences, exerts a profound influence on thoughts, feelings, and actions. Imagination draws upon the subconscious to create new ideas by reconfiguring stored memories and experiences. This interplay between imagination and the subconscious is essential in the creative process, shaping not only mental experiences, but ultimately the perceived reality. Goddard outlines a 5-step creative process for manifestation. Preparation. This involves deciding the desired outcome and planting the seed into the subconscious mind through tools like hypnosis or meditation. Persistence. Individuals must persistently pursue the desired outcome despite difficulties or opposition. Living in the state. Emotional connection and absorption in the state of the desired outcome are essential until it becomes the predominant perspective. Incubation. Time must be allowed for the subconscious mind to process information without doubt or reliance on physical senses. Manifestation. The individual watches as the desire begins to materialize, blending conscious and subconscious activities. Goddard's techniques emphasize the power of the mind and imagination in creating reality. These techniques, derived from his teachings, include imaginal acts, constructing events, the congratulations technique, daring to assume, eavesdropping, revision, fast-forwarding, and the I remember when technique. In his lecture on imagination, Goddard urges us to understand the difference between daydreaming about desires and actively occupying the desired state. He emphasizes that reason and doubt cannot be gods, as reason denies and doubt, called the devil in Scripture, finds rest only in the human imagination. Entering into the desired state is an art, a delightful act of putting oneself elsewhere in thought. Goddard challenges individuals to occupy the imagined state, making it theirs through belief and persistence. He asserts that if one persists in the assumption that the desired state is real, it will harden into fact, regardless of initial sensory denial. In conclusion, the essence of God, the secret of God, lies in the power of imagination. Neville Goddard's teachings encourage us to understand and harness the interplay between the conscious and subconscious mind. This awareness leads to a more deliberate and effective manifestation of our desires, ultimately shaping the reality we experience.